Hi, I'm Koulic from the OnceHub support team. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable double bookings in your OnceHub account using the meeting overlap feature in your activity stream. The meeting overlap feature lets you schedule more than one meeting in the same time slot. It's a great way to stay flexible and make sure your calendar is open for the most important meeting. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are a consultant who often takes discovery or introductory calls. These meetings are important, but sometimes other meetings are more urgent. Or maybe you even have a feeling that the scheduled meeting might be a no-show. By turning on the meeting overlap feature, you can keep your calendar open. That way, if a higher priority meeting comes in or the original meeting doesn't happen, you can decide which meeting to focus on. Let's take another scenario. Suppose a salesperson has a meeting booked with a low revenue lead, but wants to stay available in case a high-value prospect requests the same time slot. With meeting overlap, they can accept both bookings. This helps them maximize opportunities without missing anything important. Now let's see how to turn this feature on in our account. You can see that I have signed into my OnceHub account, and if I go to the scheduled meeting section, you'll see I have a meeting booked for November 5th, 12:15 p.m. to 12:30 p.m. So let me show you my booking calendar for November 5th. You can see the 12:15 to 12:30 p.m. slot is not available to book. Let's say I want to book another meeting for the same time slot. So we need to come to the schedule meeting section. It should be on your top left of the account. Click on the meeting or the time slot on which you want to enable the meeting overlap feature. Let's say for this booking, you can see the option meeting overlap. Here, you will get a drop down and you need to select allowed. Now let's see if I am able to see the slot as open. Let me refresh my booking link. Let me change the time zone. The November 5th, 12:15 p.m. slot shows available to book again. And that's it. You have just learned how to enable double bookings from the activity stream in OnceHub. If you have any questions, our support team is always happy to help. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more OnceHub tutorials. Thank you.